Hello. This video will explain how to set up the MyArmy plugin in Unreal Engine and create crowd agent character blueprints. Click on the MyArmy menu, and then click the MyArmy Ready. After clicking this, you can see that we've just created an actor in the scene outliner. In a level, there should be only one of this object, used for global settings. Keep selecting the MyArmy Global Actor Set object in the scene outliner and check its details panel. There are some parameters. MyArmy Global Frame can set the maximum frame length for simulation. MyArmy Begin Play determines whether the simulation should begin immediately upon play or if you need to start the simulation manually by pressing the M key. MyArmy Self Collision controls whether the default rigid body collisions in the character blueprints are enabled. MyArmy Self Gravity enables or disables gravity for character body parts. Spot Max Distances set the maximum radius range. If exceeded, they will be ignored in simulations. Here, we use the free Wukong assets from the official store to demonstrate the creation of a MyArmy character blueprint. In MyArmy menu, click on Create Origin Agent. This will create a MyArmy character agent blueprint in the currently selected folder. Change the name of the MyArmy character agent blueprint to make it easier to distinguish in the future. Double-click to open the agent character blueprint. Within the agent character blueprint, configure the skeletal mesh to be used for display. MyArmy Agent Color attribute sets the color that the agent will display on placement nodes, making it easier to differentiate with other types. Next, we will discuss how to configure animations in the agent character blueprint, all using the built-in animation module of Unreal Engine. Select the skeletal mesh used in the agent character blueprint, right-click, and choose Create Anim Blueprint to create an animation blueprint, and then rename it. Once again, select the skeletal mesh used in the agent character blueprint, right-click, and choose Create Anim Montage to create an animation montage, and then rename it. Double-click to open the animation montage window, and locate the Asset Browser window. In the Asset Browser window, select the animation sequence you want to use for the MyArmy agent character and drag it into the corresponding slot as the animation asset for the agent character. Rename the animation clip to make it easier for later use in the agent blueprint. You need to add an animation clip to each animation sequence asset to differentiate the playback range for each animation. Move the animation clip to ensure it starts at the beginning of the animation playback range that you want to crop. Within the montage section, split the added animation clips into independent loop playback states on separate tracks. Select the clip for playback and check the looping animation result of the animation clip. The usage here is all related to Unreal Engine's montage knowledge and can be customized and extended as needed. Go back to the MyArmy agent character blueprint and set the MyArmy montage animation to the animation montage assets. Next, open the animation blueprint you created earlier, right-click to create a slot node, and connect the output to the output pose. Please note that in the montage asset, the slot positions where you drag the animation clips should match the names of the slot nodes you've selected in the animation blueprint. Go back to the MyArmy agent character blueprint and set the anim class to the animation blueprint asset. Switch to the mesh component and add some translate and -90-degree rotation to ensure that the character is facing the same direction as the arrow, based on the character asset. Finally, please notice that if the animation sequence assets include translation, you should check the option to enable root motion.